Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today we got another simple and delicious cook for you. We are going to be doing grilled bone-in chicken thighs on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. I'm going to show you how to get some nice grill marks. We're going to use a nice seasoning and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright, so this is what we have. We have bone-in chicken thighs. Top and the bottom. So the first thing we're going to do, get a sharp knife. We're going to trim a little bit because as you can see, some of these, like this one, doesn't have that much on the bottom, but this extra skin on the bottom here, now you can keep it on if you want, absolutely not a big deal, but I just like to trim mine a little bit and get it off of there so it makes a nice crispy top. And yep, that's fine. And then just, any excess, like this big piece hanging over here, just get that off of there. And this one over here has got a lot of extra skin. Like I said, you can keep that skin on if you want. I just find it also cooks better when the skin on the bottom is trimmed as well. So do what you like. They'll still turn out good, but this is what I prefer. And let's see here. Oh, a little skin over here. So that's it. All we're going to do is trim those up and, get them looking, like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and season them up on the bottom part. Alright, so what we're going to season them with, actually having made products. This one is called Fabulous Fajita. It's really good. It goes on everything. I use it on all kinds of stuff. And then my favorite, all-purpose seasoning, having made products also. It's incredible. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can get that. So we're going to go in with a little bit of the It's Incredible first. And then a little bit of this fajita. I'm telling you, this combination together, man, makes chicken just pop. Makes it taste really good. So, anyway, I'll bring it back in a minute. I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, kind of let it sweat a little bit. Anyway, that's what it looks like, seasoned up. And then we're going to I got something to show you on the other side of the chicken, so we'll see you in a minute. Alright, so now what we're going to do is I turn the chicken over, so top side, facing up. And what we're going to do is actually go in with some high heat oil. What I like to use is avocado oil. You can use any high heat oil that you choose, but just a very light coat on top. This is going to do one of two things. It's going to help the seasoning stick and help us get some grill marks. So with that being said, we're going to go in with our seasoning like this. Now what you can also do, you can actually, if you want, and sometimes I do it, well, a lot of times I do, but you can pull back the skin here and actually get up under and season the chicken itself. You can do that if you want, but I'm just showing you how to get these nice and crispy and perfect. They come out almost like fried chicken. It's, they're so dang good. So again, these seasonings have made products. I'll leave a link. And yeah, we're looking good. Both sides seasoned up. We'll see you at the Ninja. Alright, so we are at the Ninja. I am zoomed in so you can kind of see what I'm doing. First thing we're going to, what we're using off the bat, we're actually using the drip pan below and then the grill grate. We're going to try to get some grill marks. Close this down. We're going to turn this on. We're going to use the grill function. We're going to turn that up to, I always do that, up to max. We're going to press start and let this thing preheat. We'll be back in a few minutes and throw these chicken thighs on. See you then. Alright guys, we are done preheating. As you can see, it says add food. That's how you know you're done. We got that thing in. It is absolutely super hot, probably 480 degrees. So we got our chicken here. Now what we're going to do is take our thighs, now skin side up. So we got that and skin side up, the side that we oiled. Now we're going to put them on here. Now, you can fit 8 chicken thighs on here. What I'm doing, I want to get specific grill marks on here. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. You can fit, 6 to 8 easily on there. So what I'm doing is just trying to get some pretty grill marks. So what we're gonna do now, we got them on. We're gonna close. Oh, it already smells absolutely amazing. We're gonna turn this off actually, all right? So then we're gonna turn, oh, it smells delicious. And we're actually gonna pick the bake function. Go 350 for 25 minutes, hit start. We'll see you then. All right, guys, countdown 3, 2, 1, and they are done. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Oh my goodness, I gotta bring you in just so you can see this. I'm talking about golden, goodness gracious. Those look amazing. Now, let's see if we actually even got any grill marks on the other side. Ooh, baby. Grill marks like a mug. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Across the board. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off. And, oh yeah, nice. Good stuff. I'm going to take these off. Well, actually, one thing before we go, you always want to temp your chicken just to make sure it's done. I know these are done. Yeah, 186, 190. Yeah, these are done. All right, so chicken's done at 165. The dark meat you can take a lot higher. I usually take these to about 185 to 190 or something like that. So we're good to go. I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes on the cutting board, and we'll meet you up top and try these bad boys out. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and as you can see, it's only been about 10 minutes I've had them out here, but yeah, just absolutely perfectly cooked. And I know they're still hot, but I'm gonna bite into this for you guys. But I'll open it up. Perfectly cooked all the way through, and oh man, so good. Crispy outside. 1 second. All right, just had to get a napkin, wipe my face off. Fire, absolutely super good. So that recipe, whether you're doing 4 or 6 or 8 or however many, that time, that's the way you cook them, and they come out perfect every time. 350, 25, drop the top, come back, and you got some awesome chicken. So that is how you do grilled chicken, bone-in thighs on the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. Now, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment, and with that being said, we will catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.